Hello everyone, this is Dr. Manoj Patidar, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, Government College, Manawar, Madhya Pradesh. Today I am going to discuss three studies which I have carried out during this pandemic. During my PhD, I have worked on the development of immunotherapeutics. We have critically analyzed the WHO malaria data and reported that the people in India are less susceptible to malaria than any other country having the same risk of high endemicity. The gain of this protective immunity can be related to the food habits of people residing in this area. The Indian kitchen is rich of many antimicrobial compounds that might be involved in provoking immune surveillance or attenuation of parasite in the liver. Now COVID-19 has become a global emergency, and I think breaking the life cycle of SARS-CoV-2 by using a combination of different checkpoint inhibitors might be suitable. Here, Indian kitchen might play very significant role. The antiviral role of natural compound like curcumin, quercetin, allicin are well known, and many of these drugs are natural compounds are under investigation against COVID-19. Indian diet consists of rich source of this compound and might provide unseen immunity against COVID-19. Now it is true that the discovery of treatment or drugs for COVID-19 is essential. Same time, it is also required to study the psychology of people during this COVID-19 pandemic. Also, due to this lockdown and fear of getting infection, online education is the only option to continuing the study. Here, in this study, I have also tested the feasibility of implementing the online way of learning in higher education. So, the methodology for this study is the available literature on the internet was searched, and the list for component of Indian kitchen having antivirus activities was made. Online surveys were conducted to understand the psychology of people during this pandemic and attitude of students towards the online education. Now in the middle of this poster, you can see two graphs. Here these two graphs are showing how rapidly the infection is spreading. Now we talk about objective 1. Here the first figure is depicting the effect of various drugs on the life cycle of SARS-CoV-2. So these are the available drugs, and now these drugs are being used for the treatment of COVID-19. But this second figure, this is very important. Here you can see the natural compound present in daily diet of Indian might act similarly to those inhibitor and block various checkpoints of the life cycle of SARS-CoV-2. For example, quercetin found in apple, orange, lemon can inhibit the attachment of coronavirus to host cell, replication inhibition, inhibition of translation, and assembly formation. This various checkpoints are inhibited by this one compound quercetin. Same way, many other compounds are present in our daily diet and might inhibit or interfere with the life cycle of this coronavirus. Now we look toward objective 2. The negative impact of this pandemic is well known, but we found some positive consequences like family bonding and faith toward the God have increased during this pandemic. More than 500 respondents of all various ages, localities, education and professions took part in this online survey. To understand the psychology of student for online education, uh, another survey was performed. This survey included 500 students of higher education, and it was found that due to some reason like cost, unavailability of devices, and hesitation, majority of the students are avoiding the online way of learning. So this is the summary of study. Indian kitchen might provide unseen immunity towards COVID-19. COVID-19 has some positive impact on people's psychology, and majority of the students do not prefer online education. These are the publication and references for this talk. We have already published 2 articles and 3 are in queue. I am very thankful to Department of Higher Education, Government of MP, Principal and IQC Head, Government College Manawar, and the organizing committee. Thank you all.